Hello and welcome to the final video of Angle Edition Postulate. Y'all, okay, time to begin because we done with this y'all stuff. So, JKL is your big angle. We already know this. We are already 3 videos deep in the trenches. So, we should already know this stuff right now. Or you should already have paused this video and research this information. Don't try to cheat, honey. It ain't going to help you on my test or quizzes. So, yes, your biggest angle. So that means because JKL is your biggest angle, I know that would be, ooh, Jesus Christ. I know that equation will be sitting by itself on the right side, just like I said. Let's not complicate things. So if the biggest angle is sitting on the right side, that means these two angles are on the left side of the equation. So I'm going to have 8x minus 20 plus 43. So, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and move this over. So, there we go. So, you have $43 and you spend $20. You're going to have $23 left. So, you're going to bring down the 8x plus 23 is equal to 10x minus 11. Now, move your x's to the right side. Move your numbers to the left. You want your x's on the side with the biggest value because there's less work you got to do in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 8x because this is a positive 8. So a positive minus a negative will give you none. So you have $8 and you spend $8, you're broke. You don't got no money. It's okay. A lot of us are broke. Okay? So you have $8, you spend $8, you don't got no money. So, on the left side, you should have 23 is equal to 2x minus 11. So that means you're going to add 11 to both sides. So now you have 2x is equal to 34. So 34 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 17. Wonderful, wonderful. We already know the rhythm and the tempo. Let's go ahead and get into it. So MKL will be 8 times 17 minus 20. So 8 times 17 minus 20 will give us 106. No, my bad. 116 degrees. Okay? So we're going to have JKL, which is 10 times 17 minus 11. So 10 times 17 minus 11 will give us 159 degrees. That's just that. If you know how to solve equations, the rest becomes easy. The only thing is you just need to know how to solve the equations. So if you are struggling with equations, trust and believe you will get more equations. Okay, let's move on. Oh, wonderful. Oh, we see this beautiful word. I see it, DEF. And it says DEF is a straight angle. So, of course, we already know a straight angle means it has the value of 180 degrees. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So that means these two angles, equations, they're going to be combined on the left side of the equation, while the right side will only have 180 degrees. So you're going to have 23x minus 3 plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 180 degrees. Those two small angles will add to give you your big angle, just like I said in the last video. So, let's go ahead and do the math, the whoop, and let's keep it going. To help y'all, we're going to highlight our x's in one color. We're going to highlight our numbers in another color. So, 23 plus 12. 23 plus 12 will give you 35. X. You have $8 and you spend $3, you're going to have $5 left. And you're going to bring down the rest. Next, you're going to subtract 5 from both sides. All right? So you're going to have 35x is equal to 175. Divide both sides by 35. That means x is equal, to 5. Wonderful. So, first and foremost, DEF, we already know that's 180 degrees. We already filled that in. Because we smart like that. Never doubt yourself. Because if you doubt yourself, we got some problems, okay? We already got too many people in this world that's already doubting you. Why are you being your own doubter? Thank you. Have some confidence now. So, let's focus on DEG. DEG has the value of 23x minus 3. So, the value of x is 5. So, you have 23 times 5 minus 3. So, 23 times 5 minus 3, when we put all that in the calculator, will give us 112. We're not about to overwork ourselves. We're just going to plug all this in the calculator. GEF will be 12 times 5 plus 8. So 12 times 5 is 60 plus 8 will give you 68. Now, you really don't have... Once you figure out what's the value of the big angle, you can literally just do the basic math and find what the other angles are. Just as we did problems ago. So let's go ahead and attack this last problem. So we first highlight the biggest angle, TUV. So TUV has 17x minus 16. I know that's my big angle. So I know that angle will sit by itself. While these two angles, or equations are added together. So I'm going to have 5x plus 3 plus 10x minus 5 equals 17x minus 16. Highlight your x's in one color, numbers in another. So 5 plus 10 will give me 15x. I owe someone $5 and I give them $3. I still owe them $2. I don't like owing people money. That's get out. But we got to deal with it because this is math. Okay? So let's first of all move your x's to the side with the biggest x value, which means looking at 15x and 17x, which number is bigger? 17, of course. So that means you need to move your 15 from the left to the right. Okay, so because that's a positive 15, you're going to subtract 15x. So that means you're going to have negative 2 on the left is equal to 2x minus 16. Now I have my x's to the right. That means my numbers got to go to the left. So I'm going to add 16 to both sides. I'm going to add 16. So I have $16. I spend 2. That means I have $14. So 14 is equal to 2x, which we already know that's 7. Because we smart like that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So let's go ahead and start doing the math. This is a lot right now. And cut that right there. We're going to take over that space. Let's start with T. I'm going to switch it to another color. We're going to start with TUW. So 5 times 7 plus 3. When we plug all that in a calculator, you're going to get 38. Now you're going to have WUV, which is 10 times 7 minus 5. So 10 times 7 is 70 minus 5, which gives us 65. Now, we really don't have to do the last one. Do you know why? Because if we have if we have TUW, which is 38, and we have WUV at 65, all we have to do is just add those two angles together because those are our two smaller angles. And if we add our two smaller angles together, we're going to get our big angle. So to get TUV, you'll add 38 plus 65, and you'll get 103. You see how knowing that basic concept and that background knowledge, I really didn't have to go through extra steps. I literally just took the shortcut. So you could have easily went through that equation setup and all those numbers, but I just used my basic skills. Add the two smaller angles, and that's how I got the big angle. Please make sure you complete your video reflection form so I can help you. You do not want to struggle. Please do not set yourself up to struggle in this class. Please do not. Because we're going to move like a smooth sailing bullet train. Choo-choo! Okay? We got to go to A-Town, not the wing place. The grade place. Hallelujah. So have a nice day, and we'll see each other whenever.